Iowan who struggles to pay for health care is a real victim here.
Reaction tonight from an abortion advocacy group as Planned Parenthood announces it will shut down 4 of its 6 Iowa clinics. Planned Parenthood said it will permanently close its Cedar Rapids location as well as clinics in Ames, Sioux City, and Urbandale.
Health centers in Des Moines and Iowa City will remain open, and KCRG TV9's Brian Tabak is live in the studio with more on the fallout from Planned Parenthood's decision.
The head of Planned Parenthood says the decision to close its clinics comes as patient needs changed. Funds have been frozen and other funding sources are targeted, creating what she calls a crisis of uncertainty.
When I think about abortion care and reproductive care, I really think about saving lives.
Liz Lenz is the board chair for the Iowa Abortion Access Fund. It's a nonprofit that uses donations to help Iowans with abortion access. She says that need has only grown after Iowa lawmakers banned most abortions after about 6 weeks of pregnancy.
It's really hard for Iowans to access and separate fact from fiction and get that good, shame-free health care that they need.
According to the Chicago Abortion Fund, more Iowans are leaving the state to receive abortion care since the state passed greater abortion restrictions. It says 625 Iowans received funding through organizations like the Iowa Abortion Access Fund last year. That's up from 194 in 2023. It's a number Lenz believes will only continue to go up after Planned Parenthood announced it was closing 4 of its 6 clinics in Iowa, including 1 in Cedar Rapids.
When you take Planned Parenthoods out of the state, when you make it hard for people to access necessary health care, it hurts all Iowans.
In a statement, Planned Parenthood's President Ruth Richardson said, "We have been fighting to hold together an unsustainable infrastructure as the landscape shifts around us and an onslaught of attacks continue." She goes on to say, "Make no mistake, care may look different, but Planned Parenthood North Central State is here to stay." 2 clinics will continue to operate, including 1 in Iowa City. But Lenz says the closing will continue to have a chilling effect.
We'll see fewer young people wanting to come here, to go to college, or people wanting to stay here after, because, if you're living in a state where it's virtually impossible to get affordable health care, why stay?
Lenz says most Iowans are going to Minnesota to receive care and says that trend will likely to continue. Planned Parenthood is also closing 4 clinics in Minnesota. In the studio, Brian Tabak, KCRG TV9 News.